Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the agent that terminated due to an error in Antigravity. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the network. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, select Network Reset. This will reset all network adapters and restore default network settings, which can help fix connection-related errors. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click on Check for updates and install any available updates to ensure your system is fully updated. Now go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog, type temp and click OK now. Select all files inside the folder and delete them to clear temporary system data. Then go back and open Run again, type %temp% and press Enter. Again, delete all files in this folder to remove cached system files. Next, open the Recycle bin and click Empty Recycle bin to fully remove deleted junk files. Now open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the time range. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data and click Delete Data. Once everything is done, restart your computer. After restarting, open Antigravity again and check if the agent error is fixed. In many cases, clearing the cache, resetting the network settings, and updating Windows resolves this issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.